Can we see unsent messages on Messenger? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about if we can see unsent messages on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you've been wondering if you can see any unsent messages, the one that's been deleted like this one in your Messenger, and if that's the case, this is the answer that it's generally not possible. So whenever messages on Messenger has been unsent, it is permanently deleted from both from the sender side and from the recipient's side. So from the history, it's completely removed. So that's one way. So the other is there are few cases such as whenever you have notifications of that very message available, you can actually see that notification. Now, in your iPhone, you don't have the notification history settings, but if you're on your Android, you can simply go to your settings and go to the advanced settings to find your notification history. And that's one way. So the other thing that you can do is you can download your Facebook's data. And this is not a guaranteed method, but you can try to download your Facebook's data that you do by going to the Facebook on menu and then on the setting, then going to Meta's account center, then scrolling down till you find your information and permission. And there you will find download your information. Now, follow these prompts to download your data. Now, this is actually not a guaranteed method, but sometimes it can work as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.